If you want to unlink your Facebook profile from your Instagram account, then keep watching the video till the end. Basically, there are mainly two ways to unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram profile. In the first method, you can unlink your Facebook profile directly from your Instagram account. And if you're having a little bit problem in unlinking your Facebook profile from your Instagram account, then you can unlink it from your Facebook account too. And in this video, I'm gonna show you both the ways. First of all, open your Instagram account. Now click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. At the very first, you see an account center section, so you click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. And now look at the bottom, there is an account section, so you click on it. Now you will see all the accounts that are logged in or are connected here. Now if you want to remove your Facebook profile from your Instagram, just click on the remove button. Again, you will see this interface, and as soon as you click on remove accounts, your account will be removed from your Instagram profile. That's it. Now in the second method, first of all, you have to open your Facebook profile. Now click on your profile at the top right corner. At the top right, you see an settings icon, so you click on it. Now here also at the very first, you see an account center option, so you click on see more in account center. Now at the bottom, click on accounts, and now all the interconnected accounts will be displayed here. Now remember, you are opening it on Facebook, so you have to remove your Instagram profile from Facebook. That's it. If you click on remove, you will see this interface. Now click on remove account. Nothing to do here, just click on continue. Again, you will see this confirmation page. Just click on yes, finish removing at the bottom. Now you'll see remove pop-up notifications. Just click on OK. So this is how you can unlink your Facebook profile from Instagram. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.